Hi, I wanted to pop on and share a proper walkthrough video of Nancy's Baking Favorites folio that she is doing. This is a class that will happen at the store Friday, October 25th from 10:30 to 3:30 or Saturday, October 26th from 11 to 4. I know there are some spots available left in both of those dates if you're interested. The cost of the class is $74. In this class, you're going to make this folio, this album, which is a square that's 8 3/4 by 8 3/4. It uses the Echo Park Roll With It paper line. It has a great vintage book cover, got all sorts of other fun kind of baking images on it. So this is intended for experienced paper crafters. Nancy says the techniques that you're going to learn while you're in this class is to make a shaker Polaroid frame front, which is this, using faux sprinkles. So isn't this a fun little shaker front here? Just roll with it. It's got these really cute little vintage cookbook looking things on the as well for decoration. You make a tea belly band recipe holder, a charm dangle on the spine, an easy reverse placement waterfall feature, and removable easel stand with the recipe card holder. So I will walk you through and I will show you all of that. It includes everything pre-cut and scored, the cardstock in 3 different colors for the album pages and all the elements. It includes the chipboard covers and the spine, which are pre-wrapped with the hockey tape. It includes a blank recipe card in 3x5 and 4x6 sizes, so you get multiples of those. It includes a removable shopping list. It includes some glassine treat bags with the Baked in Love sticker seals. It includes a full 12x12 cut apart sheet with journaling cards, so there's 11 to choose from. It includes a 6x12 sheet of vintage cookbook covers. It includes 2 12x12 pattern papers, 4x6 recipe cards. It includes the 4x6 plastic pocket protectors to create the removable recipe booklet and the easel. It includes other elements such as decorative charms, magnets, hardware, ribbon, etc. So everything you need is there, so great value for the money. So you might have to do, because this is such an in-depth class and there's a lot to do, there might be some final touches that you might need to complete on your own in terms of embellishments. To register, you can email Nancy. So I will say it here, but it will also be posted in wherever you're looking at this, whether that's on YouTube, our website, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you're looking at it. It will also include her email address there, but it is NL Melville, which is MELVILLE @gmail.com. So those are kinds of details, and we'll walk through. So here is the cover, as I said, with this really cute Polaroid shaker on it. And here is the really cute, I love this little charm dangle. Look at that. This one's got a whisk, it's got the spoons, it's got a little made with love and a little measuring cup. I know some of the charms are different. There are a couple of different styles in there that Nancy told me. So there's a little bit of options in terms of, depending on what kit you get, there will be a couple of different charms, but they are all kitchen. One of them has a cute little mixer as well in there. I know that's one of the other options for them. So isn't that the nicest little thing? I love that little detail on the spine. So that's the cover. When you open it up, this is what you're looking at for the first bit. Now in here you have a shopping list, which is right there. So you can put a photo here if you want. It's got your shopping paper, which is, if you run out, you could always add another one on there if you like. A great way to keep things organized. Take with you as you're looking through your recipes. You can write down what it is you need and take that to the store with you. Again, if you wanted to include some more photos or things like that on there, or other embellishments, you could. Same thing with here if you want to include things. This is the waterfall. Recipe cards in here. So these are the 3x5 recipe cards. So perfect way to store some recipes. If you wanted to put photos or something on the back of these, you certainly could. I am planning on making these albums for my boys. I've signed up for the class, and so what my thought was I'm going to do, we have lots of pictures growing up. Baking in the kitchen is kind of a big thing in our family. I have lots of recipes, and I have photos of my boys helping me make all their favorite dishes, all of our, you know, kind of Christmas traditions, things like that. So I thought I would include something like their favorite Christmas cookies and then some pictures of them making the cookies there and different things like that. So that's kind of my plan with the album. So this is the next page here. It's got a pocket here, again, a pocket here and a pocket here with some recipe cards. Again, you get a whole bunch of these recipe cards that can fit in these pockets. Here are the stickers that Nancy was talking about that you get with the little Bake with Love, which how cute are those to seal? So they're just right now tucked in a pocket. And then we have the bags, another cute little charm paper clip. So these are bags which would be perfect to offer some little treats that you have baked in there, and then you can seal them with a sticker and give them away. Another pocket so you can tuck all sorts more recipes and things like that in there. And then we flip the page. This page here just has this little embellishment to help open it. Again, something where you can place a photo here. And then we've got this pocket. So this comes out, it has all these little pocket page protectors in it, and you can put recipe cards in to store more of your favorite recipes. So this is another great thing. It gives you lots of recipes you can include in here. Then we have this one, which we have a spot here where you can stick recipe card if you like in the belly band and the address. And then we have some more pages tucked here. Here's another recipe there that you can tuck in. There's a place for photos here with the belly band. So lots of options here that you can do. If you have recipe cards already that are done and stuff, you can include those in there with or photos. If you want to store more photos of baking, whatever you like. Then there's this side. Again, more pockets, more recipe that you can put in there. Another photo with the recipe on the back. I love that too, where you have the photo on one side and the recipe on the other. Some more recipe cards, all kind of tucked in here. Lots of room there. And we have this one. And this is on the back cover. Again, lots more places where you can put some more photos. You can tuck more photos in there if you want. You can tuck more recipes in there, whatever you want. This also has the easel stand. It's made so that this easel stand can't do it. So this has a recipe slot that is covered, which I love. So you can put whatever current recipe you're working on in there. Don't have to worry about getting all mucked up because it's protected. And then it's an easel, so it just stands like that on your table while you're working, so you can have it on the counter beside you with your recipe there easily. And when you're done, you can tuck it back in your book like this, and it's all there. And that's the back cover. You just tuck this back in, folded, and there's the album. So it's just a fabulous album. Like I said, it's October 25th or October 26th. You email Nancy directly, she'll confirm if there's a space available, and then you can e-transfer her the money at that time. Cost is $74. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. If you want to see it in real life, it will be at the store. I'm bringing it in with me tomorrow when I go to work. So you'll be able to view it there, and it will kind of remain there until the class. Okay, have a good day. Bye.